no gold is not in her.
Good day, people. Today is Saturday 13 and we are going to the town and it's raining today. Right, we are leaving the house.
The house.
Going out.
Why are you leaving your house?
I mean, we're going out. And what is the best thing when it's raining day today? What is the best thing to start up your day? And you know, a few weeks ago when I look and see there's a challenge that people make today. They name it Jemima challenge. It sounds a little bit like Izinkan aku memeluk dirimu kali ini saja. So I'm gonna ask my wife to sing this too. Let's see if she can make it, because I've been practicing while we arrived yesterday. Alright, let's see. Okay, sure. Get the lyrics first. Alright. My wife already practiced, but just bear with her. Alright. After all, it's a challenge. And let's go. What she has.
Dan izinkan aku memeluk dirimu untuk kedua
kali
ini saja. Salah lah.
Is it?
Dan izinkan aku memeluk dirimu kali ini saja, untuk ucapkan selamat tinggal untuk selamanya.
Alright, that's it, guys. Hope you guys like it. Raining. Every day is raining. No wonder our road in the farm is terribly due to the rain, due to water that overflowing the road. That's make our road not well maintained nowadays. And you know what it is? We are going here.
Fisherman food.
Yeah. Banyaknya orangnya. I think
Memang laku-laku, memang banyak orang.
memang sedap boleh.
So, the first time come here, guys. Selalu lalu.
We are at the fisherman. What's the name of it? Fisherman noodle. I think it's a fish food, sabak food. And we are going to look for the dim sum or dumpling. Let's see what they have. Raining, guys. Raining. Dim sum.
Kamu tengok dulu ah.
Oh, cool. And you know what it is. Wow. And I got the chicken feet noodles, egg noodles, and my wife got the kwechap. It's an intestine type of noodle, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah. the noodles taste differently. Yeah. Gonna try chicken feet. Yeah, I like it. And some of the pork. They call this what do they call this one? I think they call it pai ku wang. Pai ku wang in Chinese. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna try the dumpling. Something like that. Wow. That's really amazing. Gotta eat, guys. See you guys after this. What we have next is the famous Hokkien mee. Oh, I'm full. Wow. Alright. We are full already. Happy tummy. Happy wife.
Happy husband.
Yeah. Right, let's go. Welcome to the Miri City, guys. Let's have fun. As you can see on the right side is the famous Stadium Tertutup Miri. We are heading to the Bollywood JNT Expresses. We want to pick up our stuff there. Let's see if they got stuff. Because yesterday at night I already checked our parcels already arrived, and hopefully our stuff ordered is arrived yet and safe. We're actually at the JT Express and find out our stuff is already, parcel has already delivered out. So I guess we have to wait at home only. It's okay. And now we're going to do some stuff and let's go. Alright, let's move on. I don't want to talk about that. Right. This is the beauty of the Bollywood area. As you can see, on the left is the Bollywood.
Selalu makan ais kacang sini, guys.
Yes, ice kacang. Let me. Yep,
Ice
it's ice kacang. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Simpatnya sudah hancur.
Hancur kan.
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Lama juga tidak pakai Bollywood.
During this pandemic, it's good to avoid crowded.
Yes.
You only do what is necessary, and that's all. In 50 meters in front, you can see the Miri district office.
That one.
Yep, that one. It's beautiful architecture. Like it. on your right is the Cockmemot itself. If you want to buy Mitsubishi car, you can buy nearby here also. But I'm not a big fan of Mitsubishi, as you guys know. I like Toyota. I'm a Toyota man. I'm Team Toyota. And I also like Ford, the new Ford. Is that a new hotel? I know I'm a Miriam, but I don't really know this.
Darau.
Yeah, this one.
Lama sudah orang
Yep,
bangun
that one.
dan
Sterling, name is Sterling Apartment Hotel or so. I think it's apartment, right? It's cloudy only in Miri, guys. Pandemic and cloudy. McDonald, really good for your health and tummy.
Make you happy tummy.
Wow! Now we are in the heart of the Mary. It's new developed. It's not new developed. They just upgrade the building. Yep. Yeah. On your left is the famous Mega Hotel. Yeah. And it's really a good location amongst the Miriam who like to enjoy nightlife. You can get really easy access nearby. Pub and lunch, bistro, restaurant, everything you like nearby. You can stay in Mega Hotel. You just walk only to go to the nice restaurant, nice pub, nice bistro, nice restaurant. Every place is only a few minutes walk. We are at the Fruit Valley. We're going to buy some fruit for the family, and it's been a long time didn't go and visit grandpa and grandma, right? My wife, are you going to go and buy some fruit for them?
Are you?
No, you go, because you are the one professional for fruit king. Why are you doing like that? Okay,
Okay.
Wow, fancy. You went shopping. You went fruit shopping, Hayang. 恭喜发财，恭喜发财，恭喜发财 to all of our friends and family that celebrating Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财 to you guys. Happy New Year, guys.
buah guys ini guys.
Yes,
Fresh,
we
fresh.
recommend you to come in the Fruit Valley for those who are staying in Miri. The Fruit Valley is the best way and best place to go and get fresh fruit, a nice sweet fruit here, right? You can find any fruit that you like here. It's really fresh. They keep it fresh. Right, let's go to see Grandpa and Grandma. There we go. But I cannot wait this guy. Thank you sayang, thank you honey for buying the guava for me, and we have it too, so thank you so much. I love guava.
I love you too.
I love it. And I like the seasoning, you know, the sweet, the sour, sweet and sour citrus taste of the seasoning. Like when they're sprinkled, I like that. It goes really well with any fruit you want. But I mostly like it with guava. I like it with guava. Fruit Valley, it's the best. Beautiful day. Not sunny. Not like just now rain. Now it's a bit cloudy. Just good. Ini mendong nih. That's cute. Super cute. Đây là khả năng xịt vào lần không? That's so adorable. See the tummy so big. Oh, laki yan. Oh, laki din mo, no? Just want to play. So round. Kuri bulan naman sa nito? Jerman. Oh, ayan na nito. This is all the vegetable. The sweet leaf, some papaya, and I think it's a mango tree. I don't know. And some bird-eye chili at the back, and the sour plum. They call this a sour plum over there. It's a nice vegetable garden out here. done visiting grandpa, grandma. They're doing really well. We're going to visit a friend in the mean to visiting a friend at his house. He is celebrating Chinese New Year. Going to him later on, see him, and we also want to buy some ration for the house, just a little bit before we go to the farm. Turns out we cannot go to our friend's house. My stomach, it is kronchong.
No.
Yeah, also there. We want to avoid as well. We call my friend later on, tell him that we are really sorry we can't go and visit. We want to, we want to get too crowded.
Kita
right?
keluar nih, beli
Yeah.
barang nih pun, ayo semadi saja
Yeah,
guys.
we really scared because of the pandemic. Scared of this. We never know, right? It can contain. It can. It's like contagious, but the. Sorry, there's a car. I'm still vlogging. Yeah, like I said, you never know where the sickness can come. Where it's really, if you know it, then you can go. This one, you cannot know. You can never tell if the person is really healthy or not. So it's better to avoid reaching people. So we are going to buy stuff. That's all. This is the village kampong. I think this is kampong Lereng Bukit.
Oh, Lereng Bukit.
Yeah, I think so.
This Pujut lah.
This is Pujut Padang Kerbau.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I would guys like to see the
Tanjung Batu.
kampung Tanjung Batu kah?
Yeah.
Oh, Jalan Tanjung Batu.
Jalan Tanjung Batu, Pujut Kerbau sini guys.
Pujut Padang Kerbau.
Dulu banyak kerbau jalan-jalan.
There's
Guys.
a lot. Yeah, kerbau.
Sampai
Basically, it's a cow. I think it's a cow. Yeah, it's a cow. It's a cow. It's not a buffalo. I think buffalo. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Comment down below.
Kau ke lembu kata?
I think so. my English is not that well. Sorry, guys.
I think so. Cow is lembu.
Yeah.
Buffalo is
Kerbau.
Kerbau.
Yeah, I think so. Correct us if we are wrong. Wow, look at that, guys. That coconut. Wow. The coconut is very, very jama. What is jama in English? So many fruit. Yeah, it produces a lot of fruit. I like this Kampong Melayu style. It's very peaceful, very beautiful. This is Malay Kampong, Malay village, very peaceful. Yeah.
I go fishing, guys.
We're fishing, guys. Fishing at Imak. Babat usuk kalau ya? Allah. This is not enough for lah. Australia jet bird. While waiting our fish, almost done.
Voucher.
Voucher discount 3 ringgit. That is, even though it's little, but we are thankful, right? We are thankful. So let's go and buy some stuff and get discount for 3 ringgit. Let's go. Not many choices, but it's a decent place to buy cake, bread, whatever you need. What is it? Is it? That's all? That's all right.
I think that's together, guys.
It's alright. Just buy this one and buy some kaya instead. Right? We're moving. Nice cake. It look delicious. It look delicious. Chocolate, peanut butter. Guys, the video has been ended. I'm gonna wrap this vlog today. Thank you guys for following us and follow us until now. Thank you for subscribing. For those who not yet subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel, like and share our channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon on the side so that you can get notified by newest video that we upload, guys. Alright, thank you guys, thank you for subscribe. 恭喜发财，恭喜发财，谢谢。